Hi friends, today we'll discuss about fund-based and non-fund-based business in bank. So what are the fund-based loans? Fund-based loans by the bank means cash will be moved from bank account to borrower account. Borrower account means who has taken loan from the bank, our customer account. For example, personal loan, housing loan, gold loan. When you sanction these loans, so amount will be transferred from bank account to borrower account, customer account. These are the fund based loans. Money, cash is involved in these loans. So for example, bank, customer has taken a loan from bank means bank will transfer whatever 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, these amount to customer account. Customer can have account in the same bank or other bank. So we'll transfer this amount to customer account. Non-fund loan, non-fund based loans. So here we have non-fund based loans where we'll give financial services from the bank, no cash transaction is involved. For example, you have a bank guarantee and letter of credit. These transactions, cash is not involved. So when you issue a bank guarantee to a customer or issue a LC to a customer, you will not transfer any cash to customer, only you issue a letter. So on fund based loans, bank will get interest and charges. Non-fund based loans, bank will get charges and fee. So for example, non-fund based loans are already we mentioned bank guarantees and LCs. The bank only pay the amount if the party does not fulfill the work as per the contract. So in that situation only bank will pay the amount to the third party. Otherwise, bank they will issue a bank guarantee LC to the customer to continue his business. So in this bank guarantee or LC non-fund business, no money will be transferred from bank account to customer account, only document will be issued. In case customer has failed to complete his work, then only bank will pay money to the third party. Thank you friends.